Welcome to The AI Matters. Today, we are sharing a new tale in our AI Woven Tales playlist. The Wise Owl and the Curious Chipmunk. In a quiet, dense forest, there lived an old, wise owl known for his deep knowledge and wisdom. One day, a young chipmunk, filled with boundless curiosity, approached the owl with a question that puzzled him. "Mr. Owl, how do you become so wise?" asked the chipmunk, looking up at the owl who was perched on a thick branch of an ancient oak tree. The owl looked down at the little chipmunk and replied, "By listening more than speaking, and observing more than acting." The chipmunk, eager to become wise, decided he would start right away. He sat silently next to the owl, listening to the sounds of the forest, watching the leaves fluttering in the wind, and observing the creatures going about their day. Days turned into weeks, and the chipmunk learned about the patterns of the forest, the secrets of the weather, and the language of the birds. He understood why the flowers closed at night and why the ants marched in a line. As time passed, the other animals started to notice the change in the chipmunk. He was no longer just curious, he was thoughtful and considerate. They began seeking his advice on matters, just as they had done with the owl. The chipmunk realized that wisdom doesn't come from being the loudest or the fastest. It comes from observing, learning, and being patient. And from that day on, the chipmunk was not just curious but wise as well. Moral: wisdom comes from observing, listening, and learning patiently. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Tune in for more stories here at The AI Matters. Thank you for watching.